Hey guys. Aaj ham banang. 3 amazing DIY. Bina Dairy K video start cart hain and it's the star the video, please like the video. First DIY butterfly bookmark. If you can't remember where you were last time or what you were reading, the solution is a bookmark. The procedures I described. You need to do it exactly like this, step by step. Super cute bookmark is ready. You should definitely try this at least once. Second DIY mini organizer. For storing small items. You'll love this. You should definitely try making it. The rules I've given you, and look at this. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like the video. Very beautiful after the stickers were applied. We can easily store and carry any small items we need wherever we go. Look how good this looks. Third DIY cute wallet. So let's build this together too. First, fold the paper in half. Follow the instructions given, and it will turn out really well. After folding the corner, we will cut it from here. You can tell me in the comments what topic the next video should be about. Fold the remaining part inwards. We will add some stitching designs to it and make it even more beautiful. We can keep notes or even money in it, and look how beautiful it looks. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Look how great it looks.